Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Molynes Road and we are heading towards Halfway Tree. So we are just going to take a quick tour inside or in the parking lot of Berts Auto Parts. This is a new store that just opened probably a year or so ago, but it's the newest Berts location. There you go. And Berts is a auto parts dealer in Jamaica. Very popular location. I'm not sure how we. Okay, the parking lot seems full. Not seems, it is full. We're gonna have to reverse. As we said, it's a very popular location. Alright guys, so that's a look at the new Berts location on Molynes Road. Alright, so we're going to continue our tour towards Halfway Tree. So we're back on Molynes Road now, and we're just going to mention some of the more popular locations, like landmark locations. The Molynes Road is a very busy road because it takes you from Washington Boulevard to Halfway Tree. And Halfway Tree is the most, or it is the busiest place in Jamaica. So you find all the roads, the main roads that lead towards Halfway Tree are very busy. And when driving into the city of Kingston, you would take Mandela towards Washington Boulevard, and then this is one of the routes via Molynes Road that gets you to Halfway Tree. As you can see, it's a very developed area, a lot of business places. Yeah, on the left here now is another popular location, but nothing really to tour. It's the Jamaica Plumbing Supplies Limited. Very popular location. On the left is YPC and Associates. Those are contractors. Okay, this intersection now is with Waltham Park Road. Turn right, you take Waltham Park Road back towards Hagley Park Road. Turn left, you take Waltham Park Road towards Red Hills Road. But we're going to go straight and stay on Molynes Road and head towards halfway tree. Not sure what's going on right here, but oh, it's transport authorities stopping cars. That's why they had parked in front of that car. I guess they're checking to make sure that the cars that are taking the taxi operators are properly licensed. Because it was very weird that the car had stopped in the road like that. Alright, so we're heading into halfway tree now.